Welcome to day 16 of me solving an algorithm per day. Today's algorithm is Angry Professor. And it says a discrete mathematics professor has a class of students frustrated with their lack of discipline. He decides to cancel class if fewer than some number of students are present when class starts. Arrival times go from on time, small equals 0, to arrived late, arrival time past 0. Okay, given the arrival time of each student and a threshold number of attendees, determine if the class is cancelled. Input. The first line of input contains t, the number of test cases. Okay, each test case consists of 2 lines. The first line has 2 separated whatever. So, where's the description of what I have to do? Non-positive arrivals indicate the students arrived earlier or on time. Positive arrivals indicate the students arrived late. For example, there are 6 students who arrive at 2 came late, 4 or 3 on time, and 2 arrive late. If there must be 4 for class to go on, in this case the class will continue. If there must be 4 for class to go on, okay, so that means if there must be 5, then the class is cancelled. So 4 are on time. So basically, K, right? The number of students A and the cancellation threshold. The second line, all right, I think we got it. What is the output? Sample output 2, 4 and 3. Alrighty, so we're printing yes if the class is cancelled. Let's go into it. So basically, what we want to do is we want to say late students, or we can even say punctual. Punctual students equals a filter where the student is lower than 0, and then if punctual students count is bigger equal k, print no, else print yes. Run. Compilation error for, what am I doing? It says compilation error was never used. Consider for solutions of error missing return and a function expected to return a string. Oh, I'm returning a string, not printing. My bad. Let's go. Wrong answer. 4 and 3, yes and yes. Wait a second. So if punctual students count, this is like if the amount of students that are smaller equal 0 are bigger equal k, then is not cancelled. So here we're saying with 4 as an input and 3 as a threshold, with 2 as a result, which is not equal or bigger than k, which is 3. So we should say yes and no. Oh, wait a second. If it's, yeah, exactly. Let's say smaller, just so, yes, it's cancelled. Else, no, it's not cancelled. So punctual students count. Let's say smaller equal, but we don't have that test case even. Alright, I did something wrong before. Anyway, so now it's right and we can submit. And that worked out for all test cases. Great. Perfect. So that was the solution for today's algorithm. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, you can let me know by hitting like. And as always, leave your feedback in the comment section if you have any, and I hope I see you tomorrow. If you don't want to miss out, you can hit subscribe and you will be notified when I upload a new video, which happens every single day. See you then.